Hey guys, so today I'll be showing you how to close your credit card account with NCB. So once you're logged into your online banking, you're going to go to Help and Services. Then you're going to select NCB Assist Service Requests and Complaints. It's going to take you to a new page, and here you're going to select Create a Service Request. Then you're going to select Credit Card, then Next. Now for the service request type, you're going to select Close My Credit Card Account. Once you do that, it's going to send a prompt, or you're going to see a prompt on the screen to say that you cannot close your credit card account if you have any outstanding balance, and you should pay up that amount before you proceed with the request. So once you have acknowledged all of this, you just check this box here, then you select OK, and then proceed to Next. Now here's where you're going to be entering your information. So you're going to select the credit card type that you would like to have closed. You're going to select the specific credit card from the list. You're going to enter your contact number here. You're going to select the reason for closure, the reason why you'd like to close the account. So let me see. I will select that my account has been compromised. Alright, perfect. So once you have entered all of that information, you're also going to enter the details of your request here as well. So I'm going to enter that, hey, I would like to have my account closed because it has been compromised. And if you have any supporting documents, you can also upload them here, and once you've done all of that, you can just select Next to proceed. So after you select Next, you'll be taken to this page where you'll be required to review all of the information that you've entered before to ensure that it's correct before you submit the request. So what's important here to note is the credit card. So you'll ensure that you selected the correct credit card. And also the reason for closure, you ensure that you have the correct reason here and you have the correct credit card type. Once you have confirmed that all of the information is accurate, you can go ahead and select the submit button to submit your request. So after submitting the request, what I would recommend that you do is to follow up with the bank within 3 months time, just to check to see if the account has been closed. And you should also do a credit report check as well. Once you do a credit report check, it should come over, the account should come over as closed there. And if it's a case where you run the credit report check and you're seeing that the account is still open, what I would recommend that you do next is to reach out to your bank just to verify with them that they had already went ahead and closed the account. And if the bank should respond to you and let you know that, hey, we already closed out the account, what you should do from there is to go ahead and file a complaint with the credit bureau. Anyways guys, that was just my quick tutorial on how to close your credit card account with NCB. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments section, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.